How to enable on-screen home button on Samsung Galaxy. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will walk you step by step on how you can enable on-screen home button. The first thing you want to do is open settings on your Samsung Galaxy device. From here, you want to scroll down and find the option of accessibility. From these options, select interaction and dexterity. Here you have the option of Assistant menu. Toggle this option on. Once you do that, a menu of easy to reach buttons that let you replace hard keys, gestures, and other common interactions will appear. If you want that, tap on the Allow option. Once you do that, this on-screen home button has appeared. Tap on it and you'll find different features such as Recents, Home, Back, Screen Off, Volume, Screenshots, and more. With this feature, you can manage different settings from here. You can take a screenshot, control the volume of the media, and much more. Now, if you want to disable this option, tap on the menu settings. Then, from here, you want to toggle off this button. Tap on Turn Off. And once you do that, the home screen button will be removed. And that's the end of this video. If this was helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.